Welcome back to Overheat, Audi Motorhome 2026, a mobile, high-tech luxury vehicle. Outside silhouette. Unlike the typical boxy appearance, the motorhome will feature a sleek and aerodynamic silhouette. Audi's iconic single-frame grille will take center stage at the front, perhaps with a bigger design that blends in well with the headlights. Lighting Volt technology will be used for both the headlights and the taillights. Materials. Lightweight materials like carbon composites and aluminum are used. Wheels. The style will be completed with large alloy wheels with an aerodynamic design. Inside, next-gen Audi virtual cockpit. All driving data will be shown on a sizable, fully adjustable digital screen. There will be full electronic adjustment, massaging capabilities, heating, and cooling for the driver and front passenger seats. The integrated infotainment system includes a high-end Bang & Olufsen 3D sound system and a large OLED display that can be hidden or retracted. Kitchen. Big refrigerator with freezer, sink, microwave oven combo, induction cooktop. Intelligent storage. To make the most of available space, drawers and storage cabinets will be creatively built. Master bed. A king-size or queen-size bed with an adjustable spring system and a high-quality mattress for optimal comfort. Plug-in hybrid or fully electric. The motorhome is probably going to be powered by Audi's cutting-edge PHEV system, which offers a considerable electric range for commuting and low emissions, along with an effective gasoline engine for long-distance driving, for all-wheel drive in a range of driving conditions. Audi's renowned all-wheel drive system will offer exceptional traction. The automatic parking system makes navigating confined spaces easier. Advanced sensors and a 360-degree camera for complete situational awareness. High-efficiency solar panel installed on the roof to lessen reliance on outside power sources and charge the home batteries. A lithium-ion battery system with a high capacity is used to store adequate energy for daily needs. The ability to feed energy back into the grid and connect to a smart electrical grid.